This is one of the most genius inventions in the history of medicine. Without a knife, without blood, doctors can see what's changing inside the human body. It completely changed the way medical diagnosis works. This technology has even won 2 Nobel Prizes. It's called MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Despite the name, MRI has nothing to do with nuclear radiation. The word nuclear here refers to the nucleus of a hydrogen atom. The human body is mostly water, and water contains a massive number of hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen nucleus, a proton, acts like a tiny magnet. Because it spins, it creates a small magnetic field. Normally, these hydrogen atoms point in random directions, but when you lie inside an MRI machine, the extremely powerful magnetic field forces them to line up in the same direction. Then the machine sends a radio frequency pulse at the exact frequency of hydrogen. This energy knocks the hydrogen atoms out of alignment, usually by 90 degrees, into a higher energy state. This is where the resonance part comes from. When the pulse stops, the hydrogen atoms relax back to their original position. As they do, they release the absorbed energy as electromagnetic signals. The MRI machine detects these signals. Because different tissues contain different amounts of water, they release different signals. Using these differences, the computer creates incredibly clear, detailed images of organs, muscles, and soft tissue. Abnormal or diseased tissue often contains more water, which makes it easier to detect problems like tumors, injuries, or inflammation. One important thing to remember, MRI machines generate magnetic fields measured in Tesla, often around 1.5 to 3 Tesla, which is about 60,000 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. That's why you can't bring any metal inside. Even small iron objects can become deadly projectiles. In fact, even something like the Terminator wouldn't stand a chance near this machine. An MRI scanner can cost anywhere from hundreds of thousands to several $1,000,000. Because it uses superconducting magnets and complex cooling systems, it must run continuously. Shutting it down and restarting it takes enormous time, energy, and money. That's why many MRI machines operate 24 hours a day, which makes them incredibly expensive to maintain, but absolutely priceless in modern medicine.